Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record your PC screen using Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my Filmora application on my PC. And first of all, I'm going to create a new project on Filmora. And if you want to record your PC screen, you can select record option right here and then choose record PC screen. Okay, and here you can choose either you want to activate your camera or not, and then you can go to the setting before you start the recording. You can choose where you want to save the recording, and I have already set the folder. And once you're ready to record your screen, you can click on this button to start the recording. Okay, and you can press F9 to stop the recording. Okay, and now my screen is being recorded. And if you want to stop it, you can press F9, or you can go to the Filmora, go back to Filmora application, and then you can select record PC screen here, and you will see this button, and just click on this stop menu to stop the recording. And the recorded video will be automatically added to your project. This one. Yeah, that's so easy. And then I'm just going to close it here. Oops, sorry. I'm going to close the recording. Alright, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to record PC screen using Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.